Greetings, young practitioners. Welcome back to Web3 Spell. I'm Rhythm Nagrani and I'll be your guide through this enchanted journey of Solana Network. Today, we embark on a crucial quest that is setting up our development environment for Solana. Ready your wands and prepare for a journey of knowledge and power. To begin our journey, we must gather our magical tools. In the realm of Solana, our toolkit consists of several powerful magical artifacts, inclusive of the Solana CLI, Rust, and Cargo. These tools will allow us to harness the power of Solana blockchain. Now, the Solana CLI or command line interface is our primary tool for interacting with the Solana network. Rust is the language in which we will write our smart contracts, and Cargo is the package manager that will help us to manage our Rust projects. So, visitors, here we are upon our laptop screen. So let's just go ahead. I'm using Windows 11, so we just need to install the WSL. If you're using Linux or Unix or any other system, you don't need it. Now we'll wait for it to be installed. We'll just assign a username as well as a password. Okay, we'll just wait. Yeah, here is our installation successful. Now we have got our WSL. So first of all, we need to update our get command with this incantation sudo apt get update. Let me write the password and we'll just wait for this process to be finished. Until then, we can head over to the solana.com/developers/guides/get started/setups local development. Okay, in here, we have all the steps which we need to install the Solana blockchain. First of all, we'll install all the dependencies. Thereafter, we'll install Rust and Cargo toolchain. After that, we'll install the Solana CLI, from which we can deploy and interact with our programs. Thereafter, we'll install the framework known as Anchor, which helps us stunningly in making the smart contracts. It makes very easier to write the smart contracts. So thereafter, we'll set up our local blockchain cluster in our local host, obviously. And then we'll create our wallet and airdrop some Sol tokens into it. So first of all, as we have installed WSL, now we just need these dependencies. Okay, as we can see, our get is updated. I'll just copy paste this command and we'll wait for this process to be completed. Okay, so here's the unpacking has started. And finally, our process is completed. Now we move forward. If you are using macOS, you just need to paste these commands into the CLI. So now we'll install Rust and Cargo. We just need to copy paste this command. Just this we need to do. It will download installer. Thereafter, it will install the Rust. Okay, now though we have this, we just need to source our bash.rc. It's like this command over here. Paste. Now we can check our cargo and Rust version. We can see that our cargo is up to date and Rust up version. Here's our Rust up version and here's our Rust C version. Okay, so we have installed these. Now it's finally the time to install the Solana CLI. It's very easy. We just need to copy this command and then we just need to paste it into our terminal. That's all. Now we'll just have to wait for the installation. Okay, so finally it finished all of the processes. We just need to export this path and we are done. We can check the Solana version so that our Solana CLI is successfully installed and version 1.18.19 is installed. Okay, so now it's the time to install Anchor. First of all, we need to install the AVM, Anchor Virtual Machine, which is needed to run the Anchor. We'll just put this command up here. Okay, so after downloading and compiling a ton of dependencies, our Anchor is installed, our AVM is installed. Now, we need to install the Anchor through it. As the command says up here, we first need to install the AVM. I'll just do the copy paste. And now we'll have to wait, as always. Okay, so finally, after downloading and compiling 707 dependencies and taking a lot of time, our Anchor has successfully installed. Now, we just need to add this path to our bash.rc file. For this, we'll just need to go to our Linux, Ubuntu, and the home file, our username, and inside the .bash.rc file, we'll just go up here and write export. Wait a minute. Export path is equals to. We'll just paste that path. Mm, and like that, use the path. Okay, so that's all we need to do. Just save it and exit from here. Now we can check that our Anchor is successfully installed. Yeah, we can see our Anchor CLI is installed with version 0.30.1. Yeah, so utilized. First of all, let us make our wallet now. Solana keygen new. Now we'll just make it empty. And hence, this is our public key of our wallet, the address for our wallet simply. And these are the seed phrase for our wallet. Okay, now let's set up the configuration to the local host. We just need to type this command solana config set URL local host. Yep. Now just set up a local blockchain cluster with this command solana test validator. It's initializing, and here we go. Our node of the blockchain is running on the on the local net. Obviously, it's a duplicate one. Okay, so we had followed these steps. Okay, it's already done. Now we should airdrop some soul into our wallet, right? Let me just open a WSL and we just go into the root directory. Now I need to write this command Solana airdrop. Suppose I need 500 soul, and there I am. I have already five 0.000000000 souls in my wallet, and more 500 are received. If I want, I can receive more. After all, we'll just head over to the root directory and type the command anchor in it and specify the name of the project. Anchor in it, suppose Viz. So we'll just wait for this project to be initialized. We are getting some warnings, and for some reasons, it's not installing with Yarn, but it will be installed with the help of npm. I'll check it later for correct version of Yarn. Yep. So our project is successfully initialized. We'll just cd into Viz. Now we'll run the command anchor build. Now here it started compiling a bunch of dependencies. We'll just wait. Okay, so after taking a lot of time and compiling many dependencies, our Anchor project is successfully built. Now, let's just deploy our Anchor project. It has the sample lib.rs file in which our sample smart contract is stored. Okay, and we have deployed our first program. Congratulations, wizards. Okay, so you can see our deploying cluster. It's a local host only. And this is our path to the wallet. And here is our program ID through which we can easily interact. Okay, wizards, so that was it for today's lecture. We had known to install a bunch of dependencies and we had built our first Anchor project and successfully deployed it.